What is going up, YouTube? My name is Andrew Mo Money on Twitter, Instagram, and right here on YouTube. Hey, we have an AMC buy alert from ChatterQuant, which we need to talk about. How is it hanging for you guys when you guys get the buy signals right up front? Lux Algo is also going to add to that story two trusted sources. Where are we going with AMC after getting rejected at 36.63? That was a shot up through 1, 2, 3, and nearly 4 levels of resistance until we've caught a critical support all the way down at $35. A natural inflection point for the individual trader. But speaking of which, financial freedom is the point of this channel, so we want to give you the data to be able to attain it. We want to talk about where AMC is going on Monday, and whether or not the spookiest time of year is to come, whether or not stagflation, inflation due to the pandemic is going to start curtailing, and whether or not you are leaving precious money on the table by not investing in the end of the year. Are there going to be downturns? Are there going to be dead cat bounces? Are there going to be bull traps? We're going to cover that in this video. The first thing that you'll notice is that AMC had hit the 200 EMA right here. I'm currently looking at the 30-minute chart. And on AMC's chart, we hit 36.63 right as that EMA slid down underneath the critical level of resistance here at 37.21. We saw that resistance give AMC exactly what it needed to push underneath that price action. So when that 1026 day came around, we tried to shoot above. We only made it halfway through that resistance and the next one. So 37.21 will be a deadly contender for where that price action is going to falter later next week. However, if we can cross over the EMA like we have done in the past, AMC is looking like it's ready to blow, which is why ChatterQuant gives you guys that AMC alert. Luckily, I'm able to subscribe to these alerts and use the sentiment across the internet, across many different avenues on the internet, in order to be able to tell exactly how the rest of the internet is feeling about not only AMC, but we got alerts from Tesla, Coin, and Lucid, as well as the SPY. Take a look at how the sentiment for the SPY was mostly negative last week, but now we are looking at it nearly 22 hours ago, 100% positive sentiment. So where is that buy signal coming from? Well, we have different inflection points on the Lux Algo oscillator. And you guys still have that 20% off with the code AndrewMoney on checkout. Take a look at the fact that we've had multiple red points of inflection here. These are indicators that we are looking at downturns from a bullish to bearish reversal. That's on the 1-minute chart. If you go zoom out on the 30-minute, which what I'm using on Webull, you'll be able to see that there was a soft sell from a couple of days ago that is now nearing a potential reversal on the Bollingers. Take a look at how last time we crossed into a Bollinger, we reversed all the way back on the 27th of October, which means on Monday, that reversal zone is around 33.91. So either way, you're looking at between 33.91 and 37.21 as critical supports and resistances for the next Monday coming forward. But like I said, if we can cross over that EMA, we will be looking sharper as we cross into the 36.90, 37.27, 37.58, and 38. These are 4 levels of the Bollingers directly above, which would cause AMC to become in more danger of being overbought at each level. So remember, we are looking at technical trading patterns, but we also need to look at the short interest. It looks like we have once again increased that short interest. Shorts are digging their graves once more, digging a little piece at a time this time, all the way back up to 16.89%. This is starting to rise from that 15% or so range that we've been looking at from AMC in the past. Will it crawl back up to 20%? That's for Ortex, a scraping device tool to help you guys out. So if you guys want to keep your eye on it real time, Ortex is in the description down below. And like I said, guys, we were able to get your ChatterQuant to hopefully, I think over 100 of you have already enjoyed ChatterQuant. If you guys wanted, it's still a great deal with the description down below. I was able to extend that offer to you guys until last Wednesday. But options flow data, I think, is one of the most important pieces to be able to pay attention to the market. You guys know that most of the market, and especially the tech market, had been seeing a pullback but some of it had reversed and had a fantastic time doing it. A lot of the stocks that had the biggest gains after hours here, you'll notice that as we spoke, SHIB has increased 2%. People are asking about whether or not AMC should be accepting SHIB. And by people, I mean the CEO of AMC. Here is Adam Aaron asking, as you know, you can now purchase AMC gift cards using cryptocurrencies, and our IT group is writing code so that we can soon accept online payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, among others. He made a poll for Dogecoin, and that was democracy to the people. He then had the coders include Dogecoin in their release. Now, should they take Shiba too? I will let you guys just go on Twitter and 1, follow me on Andrew Mo Money, and 2, answer Adam Aaron's poll for yourself, and then comment down below of what you guys voted for. Take a look at the fact that GME has some news. We have seen CEO hit the exit button after being in office for under a year. Now, usually that would cause some tumultuousness, but after hours only caused a dip about 1%. You can see that there is a 2-day cup being formed right now, but be extremely careful because this cup has not formed a convincing handle. And unfortunately, if you consider this cup, we are looking at either the tail end of a cup and handle rip from a intro week's worth of data. So be very careful when it comes down to this kind of pattern, because if you've already seen a cup with a potential handle, you are likely looking at either a continuation or a double top. Now that we have hit the top of 183 twice within the 48 hours, that is likely going to be a bearish indicator before it continues bullish. However, usually news catalysts are the ones to be able to settle where a ambiguous signal can flow from one to the other. So the other options flow tickers to be able to look for Monday are Amazon, BKKT, NCLH, Tesla, of course. We have AA, Lucid, and one more gold one, COF and QS. All of this you can find on ChatterQuant, which is still discounted heavily with my code in the description down below. Thank you guys for following along with our Monday journey. I'll see you guys in a future live stream, but as you guys might know, we are interviewing you guys to put you guys on the second channel. So make sure you've already subscribed to the Sound Broker down below. Also subscribe to this channel if it made you laugh, cry, or gave you a little bit of a spooky excitement for Monday. Hope you guys have an excellent Halloween. And as always, thank those of you who make this show possible, the Patreons, the distributors of fine art, and those of you who share this video. I have been Professor Meatball, and I hope you enjoy a spooky season. For now, but not for forever. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.